Do you ever wonder how a fat middle-aged plumber with a mustache could land a beautiful princess? Either he must be rich, or he has a giant pipe. And like, have you ever heard of a rich plumber? And if that's the case, why wouldn't she just stay with Bowser? He's surely got to be packing a big pipe. Well, I guess it goes to show there is such a thing as too big. Now, Mario may not look like much, but he's actually pretty impressive. Breaking stacks of bricks just by punching them like some kung fu master. His vertical jump is off the charts, putting all NBA players to shame. He can rock a mustache without looking like a paedophile. Unfortunately, not the same can be said about looking like a porn star. Mushrooms, just like real life, some will kill you and some will make you double in size. Except they're blue and pills and called Viagra.